You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Good morning, Elaine. Welcome to our Friday morning assembly.
We hope you've been having a lovely week at home. We've had a fantastic week here at Elaine. Miss Lichty, how's your week been?
Do you know what, Miss Parsons? I'm feeling so unmotivated right now.
Oh dear, maybe there's some things we can do to help. Have you maybe thought of setting some goals? Or maybe making a plan? Or even celebrating some achievements of yours this week?
Do you know what? Those are all really great ways to stay motivated. I think we should be telling all of our friends here at Elaine and at home that motivation is a great way to keep on task and have a way at setting your own goals and achieving them.
Yeah, shall we have a look to see everyone's achievements from this week?
That sounds like a great idea.
So, in Onyx class this week, we've got Alfie, and he's been consistently demonstrating a growth mindset towards his home learning across the curriculum this week.
Our next merit award goes to Damon in Hematite for showing resilience with his handwriting, working through his home learning with such a positive attitude.
Our next certificate goes to Angel in Opal for her fantastic efforts at home practicing writing her name, counting and creating beautiful art outcomes.
This merit award is for Oliver in Amethyst. Well done, Oliver, for showing our values of excellence and resilience by continuing to learn French whilst at home. We can't wait for you to share your learning in school.
Well done to Louis in Pearl for demonstrating our value of excellence this week. You've been paying really close attention to detail when you've created your castle scene. I loved how you've put the different coloured greens to show the different shades.
Well done. Way to go to Stanley in Amethyst class for showing a great mindset when approaching your home learning this week. You've been creative in your science experiments and have learned a new skill of baking. Wow, I'd love to try what you've been making, Stanley.
Sounds delicious. Jessica's also been baking from Diamond class. She's been showing great enthusiasm with learning this new skill, and it's been lovely to see all your baked goods look delicious.
Way to go to Lewis in Emerald class. Lewis has been writing a fantastic acrostic poem using the word remember, linked to his learning on the war. Fantastic writing this week, Lewis.
Well done to Darcy May in Topaz for showing our value of resilience when working through your online learning this week. I've seen you've been doing lots of lovely things. Well done.
Way to go to Millie Jane in Garnet class for working hard to take on feedback from Miss Green to up-level her writing this week. Really great improvements. Way to go.
Well done to Tia in Sapphire class for being motivated to try new learning. We can't wait to see how you get on with your new maths and English packs.
Way to go to Deacon in Aquamarine for his fantastic artwork. You've shown different perspectives in your illusion art. It was really incredible to see. Way to go.
Maisie's been doing some lovely art as well from Amber class, so she's created an amazing canvas inspired by Picasso. Well done, Maisie.
We've had an incredible competition happening this week on Times Table's Rock Stars, and one of our biggest competitor has been Rohit in Tanzanite class. For his amazing effort, you've been so difficult to beat. I know I've been trying. I don't know about you, Miss Parsons.
I definitely have. Very tricky to beat him.
Way to go to Riley in Oak class for showing an incredible effort when learning a new skill of woodworking with your granddad. Incredible craftsmanship.
So now over to what we've been doing in school. We've got lots of achievements to celebrate. So this one here is for all the children in the EEC because they've been showing some great collaboration this week. They've been working together to plant potatoes in the EEC garden.
Incredible! I can't wait to watch them grow. Well done to our Year 4 children, Talon, Alicia, Alex, Mason and Holly for demonstrating the character skills of friendship and mindset when taking part in their daily exercise walking challenge.
Well done to Nevaeh as well because in school this week she's been demonstrating wonder when she's been learning about the different planets of our solar system. You've asked some great questions and I loved your papier-mâché model of Venus. Mia as well has also got a certificate this week for her great collaboration in school when gardening. We've been doing lots of gardening this week and she's been helping to plant sunflowers and tomatoes.
Way to go to our friends in Year 5 and 6 here at school for their fantastic collaboration when planning and conducting a range of science investigations. And I think we're going to take it over to them for a great example of what they've been doing in their learning this week and how you can have a go at it at home as well.
Hello, my name is Shaden and this is Emily. Today we're going to be talking about two different experiments that we've done this week. One is a volcano that you can see here and another one is egg experiment. First of all, start off with the egg experiment. The egg experiment, we use different materials to protect the egg to see if it would survive. Then after we've made the egg protection, we drop it from different heights with different forces to see what it could handle. And the volcano here, well, we made it, and how you could make it is with different materials such as newspaper, mud rock, cardboard, and after you can even paint it like this one. Later on today, this is going to be disposed out of Coke and Mentos, and you can even try this at home yourself. We look forward to seeing all your science experiments that you're doing at home.
Thank you, Jason and Emily. I've loved seeing your science investigations that you've been doing in school. Hopefully this will motivate others at home to have a go as well. And I'm really looking forward to exploding the volcano later on today.
It's going to be great. I
Yeah.
can't wait too. Do you know what I have to say, Miss Parsons? All of these merit awards this week and all of the achievements that we've celebrated today have given me lots of motivation. So I hope that all of you at home are working on building our character skill of motivation by setting goals, making plans, and celebrating your achievements, big and small. We're all in this together, and I can't wait to see all the incredible learning that you're going to get up to for the next week. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!
When the road gets rough ahead, where you're miles and you're miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.